Hey, thanks for joining us for our next in our series of Partnerships and Pipelines. I'm here today with CMWA, which is Central Motor Wheel of America, Vice President Jeff Birdsong, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what the company does here. But we're just so excited about this partnership and the pipeline opportunities that we have for our kids at Paris. So, Mr. Birdsong, if you could tell us a little bit about what goes on here at CMWA. What do you guys make?
Well, thank you, Steve, and thanks for the opportunity. Here at CMWA, we manufacture both steel and aluminum wheels for the automotive industry. Currently, we have 550 employees.
Wow.
With an expansion underway that will grow to over 700 by March of 2022.
Wow, so you guys are the largest employer in Bourbon County, correct?
Yes, we are.
That's awesome. Well, tell us a little bit about what some of the job opportunities are out here at CMWA.
Well, we have a lot of opportunities here at CMWA, both direct, meaning our production department, as well as indirect, which includes human resources, purchasing, accounting, sales, maintenance, and engineering.
Okay, awesome. So there's a wide variety of opportunities here for advancement and as well as for careers.
That's correct. We're very proud of the fact that the vast majority of our middle management and upper management here at CMWA started at a very young age at the production level and have worked through their career, advanced with the company, and are now our managers, general managers, including myself.
All right, so as you can see, an awesome pipeline opportunity for some of our Paris students to find a great career pathway right here inside Paris and Bourbon County, inside the bypass. So that's awesome. Next, I'd like to talk a little bit about some of the partnership things we've done in the past and what we can hope to build in the future is some of the apprenticeship opportunities where we've had some of our high school students come out here and work. So.
Yes, we've had several apprentices through the high school program that have worked on our production lines. I think it's been a great benefit for us and a great benefit for the students and the school.
Yeah, I agree wholeheartedly. There's nothing like that actual experience of being on the job and showing students what the opportunities are here. So, Mr. Birdsong, can't thank you enough for your time. We're so excited about the partnership and the pipeline opportunities we have here at CMWA and look forward to growing those in the future.
Thank you very much, and go Greyhounds.
Awesome.
Hi, my name is Bernita Davis.
My name is Mike Robin.
Hello, I'm Jason Rawls.
My name is Sammy Scott.
Hi, I'm W.T. Margolin.
Hello, Mighty Greyhounds. My name is James Jackson.
Hi, I'm Ethan Jackson.
And my name's Hart Beeler. Graduated 1983 class. 2 state championships, 81, 82, back-to-back, 38 straight wins. But anyway.
In 2006, I started with just a high school diploma from Paris, and then I participated in their tuition reimbursement program, so I got my bachelor's degree at the University of Kentucky while working here.
Started at the bottom, worked my way up, went all the way up to management. Hopefully here in the next 3 or 4 years, I'll be retired from CMWA.
Reason why I came here was, well, a couple of reasons. One, it was closer to home. The pay was good, the benefits are great, and the opportunities for advancement are really, really, really strong here.
I have a daughter and 3 granddaughters that actually worked here during the summer program, and they really enjoyed it, and it's a good place to work.
This is a very nice place to work. You got a good chance to advance yourself, good pay, good benefits, and I'll tell you, I've been here for 30-some years, so that'll tell you something.
Lots of friendly faces and friendly folks right here in Paris. I thought I would never come back to Paris, but I actually really enjoy being back.
Go Hounds!
Go Hounds!
Go Lady Hounds!
Go Hounds!
Go Hounds! Oh!
Go Hounds!
Hey, go Hounds! All right, 1976.